the quick coupler. I fucking V'd out. It's about 6 inches. That's what it's supposed to look like. In comparison to my hand. You know. So I V'd it out all the way. It's 2 pieces of steel together. So 3 inches, 3 inches. Down to 1 steel. Down here, I already did some welding, but I went all the way to the other steel. So I'm through the crack. Just gotta weld this fucking thing up. It's a monster project, you know. It's a 600 coupler, Komatsu 600. You gotta do some other. That's just a stiffener I put in. Gotta change this wedge. It's all worn down. Well, you know, we'll see what happens when it's done. Get one more look at that. Gotta fill that motherfucker. Put my whole fucking hand in there.